Hey you guys, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. My name's Sarah and today I'm doing a quick what I got my kids for Easter video. I have two older girls. My bonus girls are 12 and 10. I also have a 2-year-old little girl. And for those of you that are new and don't know, I am expecting a little boy at the end of April. So for future videos, I'll have little boy stuff that I can share and boy ideas as well. So I'm super excited and we have a lot to look forward to, but I'm gonna go ahead and go through what I got my girls for Easter this year. I'm gonna start with my toddlers basket. If you saw last year's video, everything I got for their baskets was at the Dollar Tree. I'll have that video linked somewhere for you so that way you can check it out, either this corner or that corner. And so you can see last year's video. It was all from the Dollar Tree. This year I did a little mix of Dollar Tree plus Walmart and Target. So the baskets I did find at the Dollar Tree. This one is for my 2-year-old. I got her purple. And in her basket at the Dollar Tree, I found this fun little sticker book. So she can do the little faces of the characters. I thought that would be something that we could do together and she would really enjoy, and it was only $1.25 now at the Dollar Tree. She loves Baby Shark. It's a coloring book. I found this at Walmart, and so we'll definitely be getting use out of this. And I also found her this. I love the Precious Moments, and I saw this at the Dollar Tree, and so I got her this to put in her basket. And at Walmart, I picked her up these crayons. I don't know if y'all are familiar with these Twistables. We actually have the scented ones already, and we have gotten so much use out of them. They are my favorite crayons for little ones because you can't really break them unless you roll them all the way up and crack it, of course. But these are awesome. I love, love, love these. I did get her a pack of the non-scented ones because they were like $3 cheaper. But we'll definitely be getting use out of these with her fun new color books. And at the Dollar Tree, they had these little bags of popcorn, and it's by Cold Stone Creamery. It's the drizzle popcorn in birthday cake flavor. I just thought that sounded fun and yummy. Of course, I got her a chocolate bunny from the Dollar Tree, and this little guy I found at Walmart. It was $2.98, just a sweet bunny. She loves little bunnies so much, and it's just so soft. So I just got this little guy to pop into her basket as well. And in the dollar spot at Target, I found this little thing of Bubbles with the little chick head. She loves Bubbles. I wanted to get her a book because I got her older sisters some books as well, but I loved the Berenstain Bears growing up. If I could, I would get her all their books, but I saw this and fell in love with it. It is the most sweetest little hardback book about Easter, Easter blessings, and so I'll be putting this in her Easter basket as well. And I found her ears from last year, so I'm just gonna pop them in there because I'm sure she'll have fun wearing them around the house or whatever. That's pretty much it for my toddler. I did want to add, instead of Easter grass this year, I decided to just do tissue paper. So it's going to save a lot of mess and cleanup. I got 3 packs of this, so that way I would have plenty for each of the girls. It's probably going to be way more than enough, but I got this at the Dollar Tree. It's got all the pastel-y colors, and I'm just gonna put this in the bottom of each of their baskets to kind of lift everything up a little bit. And I'll be putting it inside of these large eggs. I'll tell you where I got those in just a minute. And I'm gonna go on to the 2 older girls, and their baskets are pretty much identical. So I'll just go over the one thing, unless there's something that's like a little bit different. I'll show you the two things that I got, but so I'll start with their baskets. Their baskets I found at the Dollar Tree as well, and they are a pretty good size, and they're kind of open, a little more open at the top. So I got a pink one and a teal one. I can show you this one. So you can see the color, the Dollar Tree. And for each of their baskets, the first thing I found at Walmart was this Mad Lib. We love doing Mad Libs. They're so much fun. I just thought the Easter theme was really cute. So I got them each one of these. Once again, that yummy popcorn, I know that they would enjoy that as well. And just for a fun little craft, I got these little butterflies for them to paint. These I found at Walmart, just for something fun to do. And of course, a chocolate bunny. I got them each a pack of the, these are just the Starburst jelly beans. These are always good. You can't go wrong with these. I got them each a pair of socks, like Easter themed socks. These are from the Dollar Tree. Oh, Dollar Tree and Dollar Tree as well. Also at the Dollar Tree, I got them each a thing of slime. And I got them a nail polish. This I found at Walmart. So you can see one's purple and one is teal. And I found this at the Dollar Spot at Target. It's just a little flower growing kit. I just thought it was the sweetest little thing. Something for each of them to do. One got a daisy, and the other one got a sunflower. And to go with their Mad Libs, I got them each a pack of pens from the Dollar Tree. So for each of the older girls, I got them each this sweet little devotional. It's a 3-minute prayers for courageous girls. I found this at Walmart. Highly recommend it. It's very sweet. It's very easy to read. You know, nothing lengthy. It has very good topics in it for young gals. So I highly recommend it. It was only like $3.79 at Walmart. So even if you don't get it for Easter, it's definitely something that I would recommend for any time that you're looking for a devotional for a little gal. And that is pretty much it for the big girls baskets. I did get some candies that I'm going to be splitting up between the three, which I found this was at Walmart. It's a 5-pack, so I'll give them each one, and then I'll have some extra for moi. And at Dollar Tree, they had the 3 little chocolate bunnies and the tinfoil like wrapped up. So I'll put one of these in each of their baskets. And at the Dollar Tree as well, they had these really super yummy and colorful sour carnival drops. I'll be putting a few of these in each of their baskets. And these awesome eggs I found at the Dollar Tree. Now they were not $1 or $1.25. They were in the aisle that not all Dollar Trees have them, but like the $3, $5 aisle or whatever. And these were $3 each. I just thought they were awesome. What I'm gonna do is put a little stuffed animal in each one with the tissue paper. And these I found at Dollar Tree as well. They were not $1. These were actually $5. But I actually, before I committed to these stuffed animals, I did go to Walmart to see if they had any for cheaper, about the size that would fit in these eggs. And I still ended up going back to Dollar Tree to get these because it was still cheaper than Walmart. So I got the little lamb for my toddler, for Reese. And for the older girls, they're getting bunnies. So I got a blue one. And I got the multicolor one. And as far as the eggs go, I did get a pink one, a green one, and then I got a blue one I have not put together yet, but this is how it comes if you're curious. and you just take the stickers off and just put it together. And I haven't decided what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm gonna put each of their names on the eggs so that way they know whose egg goes to who. I don't know if I'm gonna like paint it on there or if I'm gonna go to like Hobby Lobby or Michael's and get some really fun big sticker letters and put their names on their eggs yet, but that's the game plan for these. So that is it. That is everything I got for my girls for Easter. And like I said, next year and so on and so forth, I will have little boy ideas as well for different things, not just Easter baskets, but so we're super excited about that. So stay tuned, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are new, I would love for you to join my YouTube family, and don't forget to subscribe for future videos. And until next time, I will see you on the next video. Bye.